sekata sa kalahadi. Here on Betway's Metshameko Madness.
Yep.
I'm your host, Walekau Lekamana Kennedy Thol.
Yeah.
We have the man with the #1 podcast in the country, Umutelele, Umunte, Udijeje, Witsasitewa Patima, Mr. TK.
What up?
He's the #1 hip-hop artist, award-winning in the country, Mr. Vizo.
Yeah, we in the building.
Now, gents, the winner of today's game will walk away with 10,000 pula for a charity of their choice. I'm gonna count you down in 3, 2, 1. Let's go!
Come on.
What's it gonna be? Is it gonna be Ghost Box? Crazy Coin Catch? It is the Blind Taste!
Oh my goodness. What is that? Oh my goodness.
These of you!
Yeah.
You have 60 seconds to guess the substances in the 10 bottles in front of you. Each correct guess is worth 100 points. The green bottles are double the points. The one orange bottle is triple the points. Are you ready?
Let's go.
You know he's not ready though.
I don't know if he's ready.
Hey,
You're going down.
Some of these things are labeled.
Going down.
3, 2, 1. Let's go. You've got 60 seconds on the clock. What does it taste like? Yeah, it's labeled something very crazy.
Custard.
Close. Keep guessing.
Nope.
No, you don't want to guess? You have 50 seconds on the clock. Come on now. What's that? 40 seconds on the clock. 46 seconds on the
Lemon
clock.
juice, lemon
That
juice.
is absolutely lemon juice. Keep going. Come on now. What's that?
My God.
Take a wild guess.
Tabasco.
No, try again. 35 seconds. Let's go. What do you think that is? Come on now. Come on.
That's nothing.
I wish I could give you a hint, but I can't. No.
I mean,
you have
I'll give you a
28
hint too.
seconds. 27. What's that? Come on.
It's over
What
for
is
you,
that?
boy.
What is that?
It's over for you, boy.
What does it taste
Mayo?
like?
It's
Mayo. You must not cook.
No. Honey.
Close.
Ain't
Think
nothing like
close.
that.
15 seconds. Syrup. That's absolutely syrup. Keep going.
Now he's
Come on.
done.
That's an easy one.
He's done.
What is that?
He's done.
What's that one?
Tabasco.
Close. What's the Tabasco?
He's
What
done.
is it in general?
Come on,
5.
come on.
4.
Hot pepper.
Yeah. 2, 1. Go!
You know what that tastes like, Vizo? The taste in your mouth?
Come here.
It's
Failure.
losing.
Yeah.
It's
It tastes.
losing.
I was about to say it tastes like failure.
It tastes like
You come here.
TK,
Yeah.
you're a strong man.
Yes, sir.
I hate to see you falter to these little bottles. 3, 2, 1, go! You've got 60 seconds on the clock. Come on now. What are you tasting?
It's acha.
What is it giving?
Acha.
Come on, think.
Acha.
Sauce? Hot sauce?
No, but
Acha.
close.
Acha.
Come on.
Vinegar?
No, but
Acha.
Next one. 46 seconds. Come on now. What is that? I don't want to give you clues. I wish I
Juice?
could. What type of juice is it?
Lemon juice?
No.
Oris.
Think.
Grape juice?
Oris.
Close.
Goodness.
36 seconds. Come on. What is that? 34.
peasy, come on.
33. 31. 30 seconds. Come on.
Oh my
Give
goodness.
it some sort of a try. Guess. Any kind of a guess. What is that? 25 seconds.
No.
Onion. Come on, you know.
22 seconds.
go.
Come on now. You have to at least guess one thing. What is that? Okay. TK never ever
Vinegar,
cooks.
vinegar.
That is vinegar. Thank you very much. What is that?
Soy sauce?
No. That is not. And it's not acha. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop! It's a wrap. So I don't know if you want to have a look, but you said soy sauce for water.
Where's water? Right here?
Yes. Where are you tasting soy sauce?
Man, this is the craziest thing.
Okay, I'm going to ask you a question and be honest.
Yeah.
How do you think you did?
Terrible. He did great, man. Terrible.
Let's jump straight to the results. TK.
Yeah.
The judges, with their overflowing compassion and generosity, decided to give you the point for cranberry juice.
Oh,
Yeah.
because I say juice.
Because you said all the juices in the world except cranberry juice, so they felt like, man, let's just give him cranberry
Hey.
juice. TK, coming in at drum roll now. 200 points!
200 points. Oh, yeah.
And Mr. Vizo View, you come in at a whopping 300 points. Congratulations! Your charity of choice wins 10,000 Vila.
Amazing. Thank you. Let's go.
Yeah, whatever.
Come on now.
Oh, yeah.
That's all from Metshameko Madness. I'm your host with the utmost, Kennedy Thala. Remember, le ha se tshwantsho sa motsikeng ya go sepella gompieno, monate one o ntse o akalela. Play Betway today.
Yeah.